Hello students, these are the next three exercises of chapter number 9 vowel indication, exercise 39, 40 and 41. Let's start with exercise number 39 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. I wish to do something to assist young Jackson. Can you do anything to induce him to make a thorough study of the language? I know you will be ready to assist him as much as possible, and I know he will be influenced by your advice. In as much as it is necessary in this subject to deal extensively with the language, he should see how easy it is to study as far as possible such things as style and the best usage. Nowadays, business houses set an especially high value on the ability to use the language in the right way, because so much emphasis is now given to this ability. He should resolve to make himself as far as possible a master of the best form. Now, his language sense is poor, but when he knows how much it may affect his career, I know he will do all he can to remedy as soon as possible the errors he makes. Next is exercise number 40 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. Suppose some big customers of yours ceased to deal with you. What would you do? We think you would write to him asking if he had any special reason for his silence. This is what we are now asking you. Although in the past our business with you in this city was extensive, several months have elapsed since you last had any dealings with us. We should like to know why, as we are unaware of any failure to give you the best service. We always desire to satisfy all our customers, large buyers or small. We assure you we shall do anything we can to put things right. If you think our service in any way faulty. Next is exercise number 41 on the speed of 60 words per minute. Be ready. Start. I have seen your notice in today's Star, and I should like to have details of your new master's reading series. I think such a series should make a wide appeal, and I wish you much success with it. Many of those who have seen my set of stories of the earth, sea, and sky speak highly of it, and several I know have bought similar sets for themselves. I am sorry you have allowed poster designing to go out of stock. Such a book, it seems to me, should have a large sale, as so many are now taking up the study of this subject. In view of this, may I suggest a new issue? So these are the next three exercises of chapter number 9 vowel indications. आज ये चैप्टर यहीं पे कंप्लीट होता है. आप लोगों को कोई भी परेशानी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, थैंक यू.